Guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna do this video, and this video is about my car not starting. So I had no issue starting this car this morning. I drove it around for maybe like 10-15 miles, parked it, and I get into my car, try to start it, and it does not start. I'm gonna show you what it does. You guys hear that noise? It's one single click, right? So, I mean, everything else works. The lights works, the battery works. Well, the lights work. The blower motor on the, AC and the heating works. Everything works. The headlights are not dim at all. The radio works. And the blower motor is going full speed, and I'm just trying to figure out what the issue is. I thought it was the battery. I cleared the terminals, the contacts, and that's not the issue. I had somebody try to jump start it. That's not the issue. So I'm just gonna assume it's either the relay, the starter relay, or the start itself, and I don't know why. I would be amazed that if it's the starter, considering that I changed that maybe like last summer, which is like close to a year ago, and it's just a year. So, but I mean, that might be defective. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know what the issue is. I thought it might have been the brake sensor that's on the bottom. You guys seen videos of it, but that's not the problem either, because I changed that up and it's doing the same thing. So I'll keep you guys updated on this if I find out what the issue is. But I'm gonna guess that it's either the relay to the starter, or the start itself. Funny thing is, a lot of people, I've actually done searches on it on Google right now, a couple minutes ago, just to check out, see what the symptoms are, and they say that the relay rarely fails. I mean, it's normally the starter, but the relay rarely fails. So it might be a starter. I'm not sure, but if it is, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, just to let you guys know, the issue was actually the starter, and I had a suspicion that it was the starter, but had that changed out. I had that changed out like last summer, probably around June of last summer. So that starter lasted me like less than a year, which is pretty much ridiculous to me, because these should last for quite a while, like more than a couple years. So that one click was the starter, and it wasn't the relay, because when the mechanic tested it out, he did notice that the relay, that the starter itself was making a clicking sound, and as long as you hear something clicking from the starter, you pretty much know that it's not the relay, because there is juice going to the starter itself, but it's just not turning over. So if you guys got that issue, well, at least on this issue, on this car, it was the starter. So